Good morning, class. Welcome all of you to the online class. I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Children, this is EVS class. Before going to the book and chapter, let me tell you the subject you are learning, that is EVS. There are some interesting things about this subject. You should know it. There are many students who like this subject very much. You will see that whatever happens around us, that comes in EVS. Do you know what is the name of the book? Yes, that is Looking Around. That is Looking Around, which means whatever we do, wherever we are, we can learn EVS very easily. But we have to do one thing, that is observation. Wherever we are, we have to learn how to watch, how to observe the things carefully. Now see this picture. You will see there are two children. What are they doing? Yes, they are watching something. But are they only watching? Or they are doing something? Yes, they are observing something very clearly and carefully. Same thing we have to do in EVS learning. So students, from now you have to learn one thing, that whatever you are doing, wherever you are, we have to learn how the things are going on. You have to learn how to watch, how to observe the things very clearly. Now you will see, yes, this is the poster of our book. See here, Looking Around. Now in this picture you can see chapter number 4. What is the name of this chapter? The Story of Amrita. Everyone will repeat after me. The Story of Amrita. Yes, this is a title of this chapter. Everyone will see in this picture what is there. There is name of the chapter and picture of tree. Now, can anyone guess what is this chapter about? Yes, this chapter is about trees. Everyone knows that there is very much importance of trees in our life. In last year we have seen that what is the importance of trees? Trees gives us many things. We depend on the trees. So let us move to the chapter. So students, in EVS we start our lesson with the summary. But now we have to do one thing. Whatever you are watching on the screen, you will listen first and then observe the sentence carefully, because there are some keywords. Keywords means those words which are important in the sentence. In the same way, I will read and you have to listen carefully. Khejadli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Now we will learn how to observe and listen things carefully. See here, if I say, where is Khejadli village? So you will say that near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Last year we have seen that in Rajasthan there is desert. Yes. So now next point is, the people of this village took great care of the plants, trees, and animals. You will see the people of this village are very careful about nature because they are very careful about plants, trees, animals. Okay, then next point is the people of village followed the teachings of Jambaji, who taught them the importance of plants and animals. In this village, what do they do? Yes, they follow the teaching of Jambaji, who taught them the importance of plants and animals. Now, next point is very important for this chapter. Listen carefully. Amrita was a little girl in the village who was very fond of trees. What is the name of that girl? Yes, that is Amrita. Amrita was a little girl in the village who was very fond of trees. She played for hours in the shade of the trees with her friends. After many years, when Amrita had grown up, she saw some strangers in her village with axes in their hands. They had come to cut the trees on king's order. For this, they hurt Amrita and many other villagers. More than 300 people lost their lives. The king was affected greatly to see the villagers' love for trees. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. People of this area are called Bishnois and they still follow the teaching of Jambaji. So students, this was the summary of the lesson. You will have listened it carefully. Now, we will see that there are some important points. Yes. Whenever we start the chapter, we have seen summary of the lesson. So now students, you have to take your notebook, note down all the points in your notebook, but after the completion of this video. Okay, after completing this video, first watch it carefully, then take your notebook and write down the summary of the lesson. Point to point, you will find there are very important points regarding this chapter. Okay, so same thing you have to do. Students, we have seen the summary and introduction of the chapter. Next parts we will see in next videos. Till then, you have to learn this video carefully and write down summary in your notebook. So till then students, learn it properly. We will see next part very soon.